Hello everyone, Happy New Year, and welcome to the first video of 2024, and our art studies will continue with the negative space painting. So for this week I'm studying going back into watercolors, how to do even washes, do the negative space painting technique, as well as using our water brush to soften our edges. That's going to help give a blended or smooth effect from sharp on one side to smooth on the other. It's going to make the shadows have a little bit more depth. Okay, hopefully this first part in this week's study of the negative space painting overall, with a little bit of technique sprinkled in, will help you learn watercolor a little more. Okay, have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you in the next one.